Hello guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video we'll see how to create and run a Flutter website. So first let's open our editor, and in the terminal we'll type Flutter channel stable. So earlier Flutter was in beta channel, now they have switched to stable. So we'll write stable Flutter channel stable. I hope you have installed all the Flutter SDKs already. And so the next command is we'll type Flutter Upgrade. So since I am already in stable, I am being shown this message. So you will be seeing something else. Then we'll upgrade the Flutter, and now we will just check if everything is fine. So we'll type Flutter Doctor, and we'll see if all the SDKs and everything else is fine. So everything is fine, and let's check out what are the devices that we are currently having. So make sure to have a Chrome browser because it's advisable to run Flutter application in. Uh, so make sure to have a Chrome browser because it's advisable to run Flutter website only in Chrome. Then we'll check what are the devices we have. So you can see we have a Chrome browser and a Microsoft browser Edge. So we'll create a Flutter project, Flutter create web project. So a project has been created here, and we'll open our liv folder, and here we have a demo code. So first we'll go to our project, and now just copy this code completely. I will give the link in the description, and replace the code in the main.dart with this code. So you can find this code in the documentation as well. So what we'll do now is we'll just type Flutter Run. Make sure to hit save, and we'll just run this. So we'll click one, we'll go with Chrome, and the browser will be automatically opened, and we will be able to see our output if our code is correct. So the browser has been opened, and we should be able to see our output here in a couple of seconds. So we have got the output, the code has been compiled, and we are getting, this is our website that is made in Flutter, simple demo app. And when we click on sign up, it will show a welcome screen. So this is the recent update made by Flutter in Flutter2 recently. They have switched to stable channel. Previously it was on beta channel, now it is on stable channel. So you can make use of this, and that's it for today guys. Hope you like this video. Show your support by subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video.